One of the very glamorous things shown in this motorsport mobility and intelligence simulator is certainly Bernardi's engine. Patented on the 22nd of August 1882, this is the first engine that works with gasoline. It was patented 2.5 months before Benz engine and a year and a half before Daimler's one. It is a rarity that we can show in this museum. It is interesting to think that this engine has been designed on plain white paper. There was absolutely nothing before this, although the steam engine, born 50 years earlier. So invent and think about everything was needed. This engine has everything like modern ones. The cylinder with its piston and its connecting rod that works and counterbalanced with a rear flywheel, the water cooler, intake and exhaust valves, and an elementary system of lubrication vacuum tools. It means that from this kind of jar filled with oil, which was the tank, some little drops were coming down to lubricate the most important vital points of the engine. Obviously, this is just of the internal combustion engine, with experience gain a few years, increased cubic capacity. This about 100 cc is about to 500 cc, and Bernardi, a decade years later, exactly in 1894, applied it in a purpose-built chassis and built the first Italian car that we have beside this engine, exposed to the delight of the eyes.